Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a new unclogging video on. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. So this is a complaint site. Today we are going to unclog the sewer line where huge sewage has been accumulated at a chalk and it's almost blocked the way for pedestrians. Today we are going to unclog the sewer line and we will clear that and drawn portion. These all manholes are full, so we are trying to find out the empty manhole. The level of sewage in this manhole is quite down. So this span is blocked and we will unclog this span to clear the overflowed portion. You can see that the manholes are full and it's totally blocked. We will try to unclog the sewer line with the help of this metal wire, as usually we do. Huge blockage has been struck with this wire and they pulled it back. Now they will remove this blockage and put this steel bar or metal wire again into the manhole, because still it's not functional. ना कर You can see that the sewage is trying to create its way. It's trying to be
ਵੇਖੀ ਰੁੜ ਨਾ ਜਾ ਸੜੀਆ ਉਹ ਚੱਲ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਤੇਲ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਉਸ ਏਰੀਏ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਭਲਾ ਬੱਚੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ
ਉਹ ਤਾਂ
ਲੀਸਨ
ਕਸਾ ਹੋਟਲ ਅਲੀਅਸਨ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਹੀ ਆ ਠੀਕ
So
ਹੈ
we go
ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਦਾ
that the
ਗੱਡੀ ਲਵਾ
sewage has gone and
ਲਵਾ
with a
ਲਾਂਗੇ
huge speed,
ਅੱਜ
and the span got unclogged.
ਪਤਾ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ
ਉਹ ਅਗਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਹਵਾ ਲਵਾ ਆਦਲ
ਉਹ ਮੇਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਨੂੰ
ਆਪਣੀ ਮਤਲਬ
This manhole is also getting full. It means this sewage
ਲਵਾ ਦੇ
didn't
ਹਵਾ
went to the next manhole. So we'll check the.
ਟ੍ਰੇਨ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆ ਰਹੀ
ਇੱਧਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ ਹਲੇ
We
ਨਾ
go. You can see the sewer pipe in the manhole. It means the sewage didn't came in this manhole yet. Maybe some blockage has stuck in front of the pipe, so we will remove that blockage.
ਭੱਜ ਗਿਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਉੱਤੇ ਹੀ ਭੱਜ ਗਿਆ
ਨਹੀਂ ਆਈ ਹੋਈ ਕਾਸ਼ੀ
This blockage has been removed
ਮੈਂ ਪਤਾ ਕਰਕੇ
in front of the pipe. Now the sewage level went down.
ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਲੈਨੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ
And it's functional now. We will see the conditions of previous manholes. It's also functional now. Its level is also decreasing.
ਦੇ ਦੇ
अंदर भी कर रहा
manhole was also overflowing. Now the sewage in this manhole also gone back.
ਆਇਆ ਹੁਣ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲਾ ਦੇ
ਉਹਨੇ ਬੂਟ ਪਾਇਆ ਆਪ ਲਾ ਦੇ
Only this last portion has been left. Now we're going to check that is it working or it is still blocked. Staff is trying to remove the cover from the manhole.
ਆ ਵੀ ਖੋਲ ਦੇ ਹੁਣ
Cover has been removed and the sewage is going inside the manhole with a
Address
very
ਕੀ ਹੈ?
good speed and it's clean within no time.
ਐਡਰੈਸ ਉਹਦਾ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਤੇ ਫੋਨ ਨੰਬਰ ਦੇ
ਕਦੀਮ ਟਾਊਨ ਸਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ ਮੂਸਾ ਕਲੋਨੀ ਹੈ ਮੂਸਾ ਹਾਊਸ ਕਲੋਨੀ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੀ ਮੂਸਾ ਹਾਊਸ
Sewage from all around is falling inside the manhole and the drawn portion is cleared now within no time. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.